So this is just like quick checkup to really hammer down the game plan here, because last night's video was a bit of a ramble. Was a bit agitated and didn't really hammer down what I need to do if I want to pay my fucking rent. Here, the priority, number one, is getting my name out there. That's not why I'm making these videos. These videos are just like for self accountability, I guess. Keeping me on track. Almost like it's a journal or something. What I really mean by getting myself out there is making a portfolio, making a fucking LinkedIn, and showing proof that I know what I'm doing when it comes to building AI agents. Because the way I'm gonna make money is probably by doing freelance services on Fiverr or Upwork or something like this. I have like those products I talked about, that software, but I don't fucking know how to set up subscriptions, and I'm probably not gonna be able to figure it out and get all the tax shit done and get all like my bank accounts lined up. Like, it's not gonna happen in fucking 10 days, not even 11 anymore. But I can probably get money from Fiverr in 10 days. So, of course, this is all much easier if I can just like get my professor to show me out to his buddies or something, because he used to be an entrepreneur, so I'm assuming he still has like some contacts. And like anyone with a company right now, if you're smart, you're gonna want AI agents and you're gonna want custom AI agent solutions. So he can probably hook me up, and that's gonna make my job like fucking 10 times easier. But I'm not gonna count on that because it's a remote possibility. So now it's 9 a.m. I just like got done eating breakfast, just finishing breakfast now. And I'm gonna hit the Next.js mines. Gonna start working on that portfolio thing, and hopefully I'll have something good enough to actually publish in like 4 hours. And once that's done, I can really start hitting the fucking LinkedIn. So I'm a bit off schedule. It's currently 4 p.m. and I'm a bit late because I haven't even logged on to Upwork. I haven't sent that email. But look at this fucking portfolio, dude. Look at this shit. Look me in the eye and tell me this isn't the prettiest motherfucking portfolio you've ever seen. It's pretty as hell. It communicates my value pretty quickly. It has cool fucking visual examples of the shit I build. Um, this is the product I was talking about in the other video, by the way. Um, it's the automatic worksheet generator for teachers. And this is the other one, the other product. It's called Narrative, and this is my own personal product, because I have very severe ADHD, and no productivity app works for me, like none at all. I've tried them all, and so I had to build something for myself, and I built this. And if you want to learn more, there's a button that lets you do just that, and you can understand not just how the app works, but like how I built it, how like all the AI works together to make this app really good and to make it as usable as possible, instead of just having you prompt ChatGPT for however long. Why isn't this image appearing? Is this like my problem? There should be an image here. Is it just taking a ton of time to load, or well, they should still bug, I guess. But yeah, like it's pretty good. Um, Pretty good overview of this little software I built, this little product. Oh, this is a bug too. But like, yeah, like that's the point. This explains how I build it. This explains why I build it. This explains that I can build more things for you if you pay me. So consider it. Um, so it is pretty much done. To finish the portfolio, I just need to do the same thing here to teacher zero because like I have some of it here, but this is marketing copy. It's not like an explanation of design philosophy like the other one is. This is just like me trying to have you buy a subscription for Teacher Zero, and that's not what I want in a portfolio. That's what I want in the landing page, but we'll get it later. It also has like this little blog thing, which is interesting. I haven't even touched this yet, but like I've been writing about technology and shit. Like I have a Substack, so if I can integrate it with this, it'd be fucking perfect. Just like this about page was pretty cool. Again, like immediately like gives you my contacts, tells you why you should talk to me, um, highlights my projects. Like this is pretty fucking cool, dude. Like I like this page. I think it was worth it to spend. I don't know how many hours have I spent doing this shit. I started at like 9 a.m., maybe 10. It's 4 now, so I don't fucking know. Or 7 hours. I just did the math unconsciously because I was about to say I didn't care, and I kind of don't, but fuck it. Um. Anyway, this is almost fucking done, like 90% done. I guess 80 because I need to fix the bugs in this little article here, and I need to actually add some articles here too. Like I can copy some from Substack, and I can just like very quickly write an article like laying out my design philosophy, and I think that's gonna be good. And once that's done, I can start hitting LinkedIn, which is something I don't want to do, but it's the probably the best way to make money. So I don't have a lot of choice in the matter here. Actually, I'll show you guys this really quickly. So I showed you how I had the marketing copy almost for Teacher Zero done. This isn't great anyway, but it's marketing. It's not what I want. I need something for my portfolio. So like what I did was go here on Gemini, because Gemini is a fucking amazing model, by the way. If you're still using ChatGPT, you're in like the fucking last decade. Use Gemini 2.5 Pro. This is the one. Anyway, I just like said that I really liked the text it gave me for narrative, and I specified I liked it because I don't want marketing copy. I want an explanation of how and why the app works, because I'm not trying to get you to buy my product. I'm trying to get you to buy me so I can make products for you. And this is important to get the LLM into like the mindset of you don't exactly want to explain to the LLM what you want it to do. Bear with me. You don't want to explain what you want to do. You want it to explain to itself. You just give it like a little hint, just like a very compressed version of of why you want this and how you want this, and then you let it like find a way to express itself to itself. So when you give it the next task, it knows exactly what it needs to do. And yeah, so like what I'm gonna do now is just like I'm gonna smoke a cigarette while I'm gonna reply to these questions. And how I'm gonna reply to them is just I have this app here. It's called Whispering. It's fucking amazing. This is like one of my top 3 most used apps because this just lets me like click here and do speech to text. And this is amazing for using AI. You have no fucking idea how fucking amazing this is because I'm so lazy, and you certainly are too. So lazy with typing with text. There's details that we leave out because we don't want to type them. It takes too much time. But with voice, you can just say whatever. You can just like yap for fucking 50 minutes and it's easy. And this is good for the AI. It's awful if you're a human being experiencing this because it's an unstructured stream of consciousness, which isn't very useful for you, but an AI can interpret it pretty well. So you can just like talk and talk and talk and talk about like even random shit sometimes. And it's gonna understand and it's gonna have more context because with using AI, context is king. You just want to give it as much context, as much data, as much information about the task as possible. And doing voice is amazing for this. This is why narrative is mostly voice focused now. I started making it text focused, and then I quickly realized that was the wrong move. Most times with AI, um, you want to use voice. Well, it depends. If you want to use AI fast to make something happen fast, you want to use the normal menu with buttons like in Teacher Zero. If you want to make it really good, you should use voice. Notice how you should fucking never use a chatbot because chatbots are awful. Anyway, I'm just gonna smoke my cigarette and respond to this, and that's gonna give me my fucking article. Wait, this is working. I'm so fucking paranoid because like, when I was recording the portfolio, I noticed like halfway through the video that my camera wasn't working. Like, OBS just froze my webcam, so I was just like this for like 4 minutes. So now I'm really paranoid it's gonna happen again. Yeah, so I just like yapped for 5 or 10 minutes about the app, and it just got a fucking ton of text, and I'm just like editing it to make sure like there's not like any forget like I said models and it wrote modules, so I'm just gonna. But like as you can see, like it's. I don't think this is a problem with the text to speech or even the speech to text because my English pronunciation isn't the best. So sometimes I make these dumb fucking mistakes because I don't know how to use my mouth. But yeah, like this looks pretty good, so I'm just like gonna run this, and the fucking magic of LLMs is gonna understand how the app works based on this fucking wall of text that a human will just like break down trying to understand this because like this is imagine reading this. But yeah, like the LLM is just gonna process it and it's gonna turn this into an article like it did for narrative. And this is the kind of shit I love about AI because this will be completely impossible 2 years ago. Uh, Even like a year ago, it will be possible, but it will not be good. And yeah, it's there it goes. Can you even imagine how long this would have taken to do by hand, by like manually? Like holy shit! But it's done. There we go. I am so fucking mad right now. Look at this shit. Fucking camera. Anyway, look at this shit. Like, I was just finishing up Teacher Zero's article. I was like, oh, I need to record a little video of the image search working. And so, like, I booted up the program to do it. Like, and when I go here and I type in, like, one of the only two images I have in the database right now, it doesn't fucking work. What? It works now? What the fuck? I spent 10 minutes trying to get it to work and it just will not fucking work. I don't know why it worked now. What the fuck? What does Does the generation still work with this? With the image here? Okay, so the image disappeared. Let me try again. Ah, now it's not appearing anymore, so it seems, fuck my life, it seems is actually a much bigger fucking problem, which is, you can't fucking add images to edited questions, I'm gonna guess. Like, this worked. Like, if I edit it real quickly. Just gonna try it again, just because it might be because you can't add images twice or something, but I'm just gonna try to edit the question and try to make it work again. Nope, doesn't fucking work. I'm fucked. I don't know why this is happening, but I'm very fucking mad because it's already fucking 6 p.m. I was supposed to have the whole portfolio page done, I don't know, fucking 4 hours ago. I was supposed to be hitting LinkedIn by now, honestly. But I was like, no, let's make a good portfolio. Let's make it fucking perfect. Let's make it so everyone loves reading about the bullshit you've been making. And then it's this shit, like, because I haven't touched this program in so long. I was developing it with the help of a buddy who's a teacher, but he's not being very responsive as of late when it comes to this project. So it's kind of in standby, I guess. But it's still like pretty good proof of concept of how I'm good at doing AI design. But I have no fucking idea what's going on here, honestly. I'd have to go look and try and understand why in the fuck will it work like in the original question, but not on the edited question. It makes zero fucking sense. Yeah, look how the props done. Like, nothing even changes in like the question itself. It's still the same object. So I have no fucking idea why this is happening, and I don't know how long this is gonna take to fix, because it's always a fucking. I'm not a programmer. I don't know how to code. Like, what I've done, I've just been doing it with AI coding. And if there's one thing that takes longer than AI coding, it's fucking AI debugging. It's the worst thing in the world. And I really don't want to have to do that shit, because I would like to go to sleep at a reasonable hour and still get a portfolio up and start sending links to people. But on the other hand, like, I really have to get this shit done, because supposedly, that friend of mine told me that we were going to have a meeting with a possible client on the 22nd, and it's currently the 19th, as you can see. And on one hand, I'm really fucking happy that I discovered this problem now instead of, in a meeting with a fucking client. Because that will have been embarrassing. And I will have walked out of the room and probably like throw myself out of the window. But yeah, this just made me a very sad person. And I have no real idea of what the rest of my day is going to look like now, because I have to fix this soon. This is not ideal. Never mind. It's been like 10 minutes and Gemini Pro 2.5 just found a way to fix it, so I was worried for no fucking reason, actually. Like, it works perfectly. Like, if I edit the image, it removes it, which I guess isn't ideal, but like it's still fucking whatever. Like, because at least I can add it, So Yeah, problem solved. Oh, that's another thing. When I was trying to fix it, it didn't work even with unedited questions. So that made me get even more worried. But no, now it's working because AI is fucking magic and coding is solved, I guess. We don't need human programmers anymore. Anyway, make this a question that would benefit from a labeled water cycle diagram. Little b, does it even have letter labels? No, it doesn't. Wait, does manual work? No, manual doesn't work. The labels of the diagram are the names of the cycles. Taking sweet fucking time. There's a crash. Oh no, it's just. What? What fucking model am I using? What what fucking model is this? This is like one of the most retarded. This is like some GPT 3.5 level. What the fuck? I thought I'm using Flash, but like Flash won't do something this fucking retarded. I'm sure. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, it's 2.0 Flash thinking even. Huh. Even here? Yeah. This is using 4.0. That's for the image. Well, I guess I can update it to 2.5 and see if that helps, because that's a fucking dumbass mistake. If that happened, like showing the product to the client, I'd kill myself in front of them, because how do you even come back from this? Anyway, 2.5 Flash, because I don't know if the thinking model is out yet. Improve performance. The first hybrid reasoning model. Yes, that's very cool. This is actually insane. What the fuck? Let me see. Oh, so write is cheaper. That's a bit weird. But yeah, like I don't think I quite agree with this. They're trying to imply GPT 4.0, which is one of the worst fucking models that are available right now, is better than Grok 3, which is great, and GPT 4.5, which is very special. It's very unique. Yeah, I don't really trust these benchmarks anyway. So, but like 2.0 is a good model, so I'm going to assume 2.5 is an even better model. Even though you had Claude and 3.5 was an amazing model and 3.7 is awful. So, what the fuck is this? Okay, oh, yeah, I was just asking for this. Anyway, yeah, this is pretty much what I want. How do I put this in? Because like, I thought I was just gonna have to go here and do this, and the model will be updated, but I guess no. I guess I have to completely change how it works. Wait, this isn't even the same library. This guy, Google's now using Gen AI, and I'm still using Google Generative AI. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm definitely not gonna deal with this shit right now. So I just hope this doesn't happen when I'm speaking to the client. Hopefully, well, thankfully I can just go regenerate and get a better. No, my god. I was gonna click harder. What happens if I click easier here? this is objectively a harder question because like at least the answer isn't in the question. Uh, Fuck it. And I just need the fucking water cycle to show up so I can make sure that this fucking program works as it should. Yes, thank you. Oh man, AI is so fucking weird, dude. Like it's fucking amazing because like it solved this bug and coding and programming is fucking hard as balls and it did this shit in like 10 15 minutes, but it thought that asking what cycle of the water cycle was labeled condensation was a valid question. And then when I asked for another question, it asked the same for evaporation. So it's the same model doing it. Well, no, it's 2.5 Pro, not Flash. Never mind. But still, like, it's fucking weird how like this thing is actually like so fucking intelligent, and at the same time, it can still be so retarded. Wait, is it lag? Is my camera lagging? Is there delay here? Like, well, I think I'm just going insane. It's day 2, so that's a very bad sign. You can see how much time has passed by how dark my camera. Yeah, that's. Yeah, so like OBS is a problem, which is sometimes the camera gets stuck when I change scenes like this. And so is what it was like a few hours ago. This is what it looks like now. And you can see how much time has passed just due to how little light there is. Wait, can I make it just a little bit brighter? Oh, this is amazing content. I'm sure you guys are just loving this. Hey, is that better? It is, but now my camera has a huge delay. Yeah. Wait, I know how to fix this too. Is it working now? What? Oh man. Well, at least the delay's fixed. So. Uh, all right. So as I was saying, it's 8 p.m. I've almost finished the portfolio, which I was supposed to finish like at 11 a.m. And it's not done yet, but like it's pretty much done, I think. Let me just. Here's a fucking issue again. How do I fix this? It's like this. I gotta go like this. Is it working now? Hey, amazing. Anyway, this is like pretty much done. I did I fixed what was wrong with the article here. Now I just need to write shit for the blog, and it's important that I write shit for the blog because it's these articles that I'm gonna put on LinkedIn. And if I don't have anything to put on LinkedIn, like might as well not even have it. And if I don't have LinkedIn, I'm gonna die poor. So I'm gonna have to write this shit eventually. But I'm considering if it's better to just delete this part from the portfolio site and then use the portfolio to not get jobs on LinkedIn, but hire myself out as a freelancer on Upwork or something. Because I can just send this site as a proof of, like competency instead of using LinkedIn. So I think that could be the move. But at the same time, I'm being very lazy because I'm gonna have to write that shit anyway. Plus, I already have some articles written. I have I have a Substack, and I have like 2 or 3 articles that are like ready to post here. But at the same time, like I could just like, is it possible to just put my Substack here. Wait, I could just like change the link and make this go directly to my Substack. That makes much more sense, actually. I think I'm gonna do that instead. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Um, yeah, but I gotta write like more corporate articles right now, because like the articles I do have. Let me just do this again. The articles I do have are more like the fuck's wrong with my hair? I look like Jimmy Neutron. The articles I do have are like more scientific shit. Like not scientific. That's the articles I do have are more like futurology, singularity kind of shit. And what's needed here isn't me trying to explain how nothing human makes it out of the near future. I just need to like write something that shows that I am good at AI design, not just at building it. That's what the portfolio is for, but actually thinking about it, which is what the articles will be good for. And it will be also great to post that shit on my LinkedIn. But I'm very lazy. It's also 8 p.m. and I really don't want to work anymore because the Vyvanse were off. But I'm also very poor, so I can't wait until I feel like working. I'm in a big dilemma here. Yeah, I wasted like so much time today. Honestly, that was kind of my fault. Honestly, because I'm a perfectionist, and not the good kind either. Because like I spent like at least I'd say like 3 hours total, just like fixing bugs in Teacher Zero and in narrative, because I just like I was using the programs to be able to record the demos, and things just pissed me off. Like sometimes they weren't even like necessary for the demo, but I just got mad at the fact that the app wasn't working as it should. So I just wasted so much time fixing shit I didn't need to fix. At least with Teacher Zero, I have like the excuse of the supposed reunion. Reunion? What the fuck? The supposed meeting on the 22nd. But I don't think it's gonna happen anyway. So I just wasted my time where I could have been LinkedIn maxing. Could have been pretending to be a fucking lizard person who cares about increasing shareholder value and maximizing KPIs. And like, I'm not sure if people on LinkedIn actually care about that shit, or if they're just all pretending they do. And I don't know what's the worst option, honestly. But yeah, um, I got like so much shit to do that I'm kind of paralyzed because the easy job is done, which is doing the portfolio. And now I have the problem of having too many choices. I can either start writing the articles, I can just make it a link to my Substack, which still needs more articles to be fair. I can just delete the whole blog part from my portfolio and just try to get jobs based on the projects themselves. I can do a lot of shit here, and that's not great to me because I need a clear structure to know what to do. Hey, actually, I know. I'll talk to my chief strategy officer. Let me. What kind of fucking. As soon as I touch like a little bit of money, I'm getting rid of OBS and I'm buying Loom because I'm so fucking tired of this shitty ass software. Where's Gemini? Let's see here. Please load faster. Yep. So like yeah, this is like the little description for Teacher Zero that it gave me a while ago. Hey, so I've pretty much finished the As my chief strategy officer, what do you think we should do, Gemini? And this is pretty much how I've made business decisions so far. And I guess I've usually been right, but I really haven't tested them yet because we haven't been working for enough time to test them. Yeah, rent is paramount, I know. The user is clearly exhausted. No, fuck you. I'm made of fucking iron. I'm a man of steel. I'm never tired. Money never sleeps. Okay, deep breath, commander. What the fuck? Feeling an absolutely heroic shift. That's debatable. Feeling complete. I'm not feeling drained. I'm just feeling lazy. That's the fucking thing. I could work. I just don't want to. Ditch the articles for now. 8 days left. No, don't scare me. I have 10 days. Don't fucking scare me like this. Detailed deep dives for narrative and teacher zero are excellent. Well, you fucking wrote them, so. Um, yeah, that's a good point because like articles aren't as important as functional apps. So yeah, fuck it. I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do that. Spent 30 minutes. Wait, this is the for tomorrow. Okay, well, let me. Okay, so by the way, I forgot to tell you, I haven't sent the email to my professor yet because it's 8 p.m. and I guess I've just now finished the portfolio because I'm gonna cut out the unfinished part. And tomorrow is Easter Sunday, so I'm gonna assume it's a bad time to send emails to professors, especially begging for work. So I'm gonna wait till Monday. Um, I would like to work just a little bit today. Maybe like not something as intensive as writing articles, but I how like how exhausting is it to be updating LinkedIn like because I have a LinkedIn technically. Like if I go, it's not this, it's this one. I haven't been here in so fucking long, people. It's because I'm actually kind of ashamed of this because like it's not the first time I've tried to like set up some sort of company or be a freelance. Like look at this shit. I did this like almost a year ago, and like such a fucking try hard, and I did fucking nothing. Thank God I only got two fucking profile views. Um, yeah, like July 2020. Yeah, almost a fucking year ago, and I did fucking nothing. Um, I have zero clients. I have zero. This is a lie, basically. So, but well, I guess I could just go, hmm, hmm. Reputation saved. Well, now I'm no longer a failure because no, I haven't been trying and failing to get clients for a year at this point. No, you confuse me with someone else. I just started this month. Um, so oh, fuck, this is still recording. Anyway, yeah, like how do I like make the minimum viable LinkedIn profile to actually have a profile that people can look at and be like, hey, it's something. This guy like he exists. I hope you guys are liking the content because this is just me talking to fucking Gemini. Why does he keep calling me Commander? He keeps talking about marathon sessions and burnout and shit. Like, I'm not fucking tired. I'm just lazy right now. Maybe the absurd amount of coffee I drank contributed to it, but I don't know. Zero shame. Eh. That's my main fucking problem. I have like tons of fucking shame, dude. Like, this is probably why I didn't get any clients when I tried to do this the first time, because like I'm so fucking afraid of like reaching out and talking to people and like risking being rejected by them. Um, it's very strange, like, because like normally when like people have a fear of rejection, it's like social rejection. It's like when you're afraid to go talk with people and make friends, or like when you're afraid to flirt with pretty girls. This isn't the problem for me, because like I'm the most social person I know. But with this, oh fuck, dude, this is fucking terrifying. Anyway, um, wait, I'm just gonna paste in my current. Uh, this is the profile I have right now. I'm just gonna copy paste the whole page. Fuck. Where is my LinkedIn? Yep, just gotta copy paste this in. Copy paste the whole page. The one follower that's mentioned. Why is it? Oh, it's in English now for some reason. Fantastic. Is a friend of mine. So, yeah, I'm completely unknown on this cursed app, which is good! Exclamation mark. What's this? Yeah, oh, this is my thing, right? No, this is what I should put there, right? No, this is my thing. Never mind. Okay, so experience dates, milestone, pencil, replace them. Why the fuck will I replace? This is an amazing fucking chat. What's better, like the current headline I have, or whatever the fuck this guy's suggesting? I like this one much more, honestly. Generic AI hype. Fuck you. Okay, I fucking hate Gemini. I like this bio here because, like, no, never mind. This is awful. I thought this was way better. I thought like I thought I had specified when I wrote this a year ago that like AI is advanced but just badly implemented. But I guess I didn't. Oh yeah, look at this. I bought premium. I mean, I didn't buy it. I did the free trial and then I forgot to cancel it, and it was like 40 euros and it was very unexpected, and I needed those fucking 40 euros. Anyway, as you can see, I'm a very responsible person. Anyway, yeah, I should probably like copy this there too. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this honestly. Like, I'm gonna assume that Gemini knows more about LinkedIn than I do. So I'm just gonna do whatever it says when it comes to LinkedIn. I'm not even gonna like think a lot about this. I can't fucking wait to buy Loom. Anyway, yeah. Even now the camera's all fucked up. It looks like the camera from Outlast. Can you guys like see the vision? Fucking weird. Anyway, yeah, like it's almost 9 p.m. I'm gonna do the LinkedIn thing, and I'm just gonna quit working for today. Not because I'm tired or burnt out, Gemini, just because I'm lazy. And if I'm gonna do this, I'm not gonna give up a core precept of who I am, an extremely lazy individual who paid for LinkedIn Premium and got absolutely zero clients for it. Anyway, it's I have 10 days. This was day 2, and I'm not as far as far ahead as I'd like to be. So instead of just like stopping working after doing the LinkedIn, I think I'll at least browse Upwork and Fiverr. I'll at least take a look at it, and if there's like any good opportunity, I'll take it. Like I'll send a little DM, but I won't even care too much about it. Like just chill. We're chill now. But like, yeah, I'm kind of hopeful, honestly. I, I think I'm gonna be able to pay rent. Honestly, I know like it's so fucking early. I know I have like zero reason to say this, but I think we're gonna be fine, chat. I think we're gonna be fine. I think I may be able to pay more than rent. I don't know. If you believe, leave a comment saying you believe, and then like when I'm rich, when I'm a magnate, when I'm a wealthy tycoon, I'll reward you for your faith in yours truly, and I don't know, I'll buy you a fucking Kinder or something. Kinder Bueno, good as fuck actually. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Wait, no, I can't go to sleep yet. I still need to edit this fucking video because like it's I probably have like 2 fucking hours of footage at this point, and no one's saying is gonna watch 2 hours of me. So I gotta make this like at least a little bit entertaining. So that's gonna be fun with this shitty fucking laptop. I was copy pasting over the things from Gemini to LinkedIn, and I just noticed that these two profile views are actually just in the past 90 days, and that means more people viewed me, including someone at my fucking school. Who is this? Who is this? Let me. I think I know the guy. Anyway, who the fuck? Two people at my school. Amazing. So that's fucking awful. This is humiliating to me. Wow. This was like getting shot. This was like getting shot, because now I really do have to be successful with this shit. Like, fuck paying rent. Now I have to, like, clean my image. Because now I look like a fucking failure and a tryhard and, like, someone who doesn't know his place as a wage slave. And, now it's just, like, not even a question of, like, being able to afford rent. Now it's a question of social survivability. Maybe my priorities are wrong, but you know, everyone gets motivation from different places. Just so happens that mine is the worst possible kind of place.